Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can put into x plus 1 to the power of 1 over 2. Now we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to x plus 3. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. dv that is about this one in here. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of ax plus b to the power of c. We have ax plus b to the power of c plus 1 over a with c plus 1, and I will put about c that is about the constant. So this one we have v equals to x plus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over number 1. Number 1 that's about coefficient of s in here, that's about number 1, and we have 1 over 2 plus 1. So this one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 3 over 2. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So this one in here we can put about 2 over 3, and we have the integration. This one in here. So the integration of this one we have x plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1, and we put about c. So this one we have 5 over 2. This one we have 5 over 2. And now we simplify the numbers in here. And this one too. This is the end. Thank you for watching.